The price of Kaspa has been going down for the past few days, or rather the past 30 days, because as you can see right over here, we are down by about 20%. Now, the question still stands. Is the price of Kaspa going to go to $1? And if so, when is the price of Kaspa going to go to $1? As you can see, the market cap of Kaspa is about 3.3 billion US dollars. And right now, it really seems like we are beginning to sort of bottom as far as this particular downtrend is concerned. Because if you take a look at the technical analysis, right? The past 2 days have been very significant due to the fact that the downtrend is coming to an exhaustion because we've had this significant drop for the past consecutive days, and right now it really seems like the bulls are beginning to step in. So now the question still stands: is this particular level going to be a very significant area of support, or perhaps we are bound to see a little bit more downtrend into this particular green area of support that we are anticipating the price of Kaspa to drop in? Obviously, markets are made up of cycles, and there's no way the price is just going to continue dropping for the next coming days. There has to be a reversal, a pullback, because pullbacks are what really propels and define and determine the direction, just like we saw right over here, right? We had a significant downtrend, then we had a pullback, then ranging, then we had another drop, and then we had a pullback as well. So is the pullback being activated right now? And if so, then how are we going to profit? How are we going to make money? When is the next line of resistance as far as Kaspa is concerned? So, in order for us to sort of get answers to those many questions, right, we have to go to the smaller time frame. Let's take a look at the 4 hour and take a look at the anchored volume profile, because it's a very important indicator that really shows us where a lot of trading volume power has been accumulating and what we need in order for us to sort of go above this particular line of resistance. So as you can see, this is our highest traded node right over here, with a lot of contracts buying and selling, and there was a lot of exchange of value between the bears and the bulls, or the sellers and the buyers. So in order for us to sort of come to this particular level of resistance, right, demarcated by this red orange box right over here, first of all we need to sort of go above this particular level, because we need to get rid of this point of control as far as the bears are concerned and go up to that particular level. So it depends on how bullish we are, because there's a lot of liquidity lying way ahead of this particular level. So this is one of the reasons why the market makers and obviously the trading algorithms are definitely going to push the price to this level. So we're probably going to go to 14 cents pretty soon. I really believe in the next 7 days, the price of Kaspa is going to definitely push up all the way up to about 14 cents, even higher. If the prices are going to be very bullish, if the markets are going to allow the bulls to sort of, carry the day, obviously pushing up to 15 cents is going to be a very good trade. And this is one of the reasons why I am getting back into Kaspa, and I'm going to be trading it. I'm going to be day trading it, and we're going to see what is going to happen. So let's also break down what really happened in the past few days. So we obviously had a very consistent slanting line of a horizontal line of resistance right over there, right? So as you can see, this particular trend line was very consistent. We always kept on getting rejected by it. Every time it would come up, we would definitely get rejected. But now we're beginning to divert. So this could be a little bit biased due to the fact that maybe the way we are sort of drawing the line is a little bit subjective, but one thing is for sure, we are seeing a change in structure due to the fact that ever since we had this dramatic drop to about 12 cents, okay, the price did have a pullback after this recovery right over there, and we didn't have, or rather we didn't produce a lower low. As a matter of fact, we produced a higher low in comparison to the drop down that we had right over here. So that change in structure is a very good eye opener with regards to where we're going to go as far as Kaspa is concerned. So this is one of the reasons why I am keeping an eye on this particular point of control right over here, because this is going to determine how far this level is going to end up going. So if we get rejected here, then we're probably going to produce another low into this particular level, and the price of Kaspa is going to go down. Moral of the story right now is we're beginning to see a lot of bullish momentum coming through. This particular drop right over here could mark the end of the bearish trend as far as Kaspa is concerned, and perhaps our trajectory towards new all-time high is just beginning. So we have to analyze and understand what is going to happen in the next coming few trading days. Then we're going to have a conclusive perspective of what could potentially happen. So right now, if you are a Kaspa bear, if you're bearish on Kaspa, you might as well, think of alternative scenarios so that you just don't get left out. In 2017, I warned you. I told you that the price of BNB was going to do more than 100x. Price of BNB was only $2.66. Personally, I invested in Binance when it was around 30 cents to about 60 cents. Now, take a look at the current price of BNB as it stands 7 years later. The current price is $598, almost $600. So I told you back in the day that this one was a winner. Take a look at the market cap of BNB back in the day. It was around 266 million US dollars. If you do not believe me, go to my YouTube channel, find this video and watch and listen to the conviction that I had, because I knew exactly what I was talking about. This comment is obviously 7 years ago, and this one was saying in 3 weeks from now you will be laughing at this price. Thank you for the foreshadowing. All right, now this is a very interesting comment. If you do not buy now, you will lose out. I bought when it was 28 cents and it was never dipping that much. So take a look at this. Megascan did follow my advice. He bought at around 28 cents and his life was obviously amazing. It has been amazing, and obviously his life was changed due to the fact that I recommended. What the hell was I doing in 2017? How come I didn't buy 50,000 BNB? We have another example of somebody who didn't take my advice, right? So he was saying stop hyping things too much, and then saying we should not take this as investment advice. Two faces. Well, I guess he didn't get to invest in it. And yeah, take a look at this. 2 years ago, somebody said, how sad now, ha 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 ha. So everybody was pretty much laughing at him. So ladies and gentlemen, just like I told you, right, I know how to pick some very good projects, and I know what I'm talking about because I've been trading for a very long period of time. And this is one of the reasons why I want you to join my cryptocurrency trading group right now. You need to be part of my trading group, because we are definitely going to be finding and trading the best cryptocurrencies, and we're going to be making around 200% per month. Why do I say 200%? Because we have the capability of making about 10% per day. 10% per day in 31 days is definitely over 200% per month, conservatively guaranteed. The other important thing about our trading group is we understand the meme culture. We understand how to deploy projects on pump.fun. A lot of you guys have been hearing about how people are making millions investing in cryptocurrency meme coins. Do you know that it's not really by chance that those guys are making millions? They have a system. They get in projects early, before these projects are even more than 5,000 US dollars as the market cap. By the time you guys are getting to invest in a lot of meme coins when they're about 70 million US dollars, guaranteed, a lot of people have already made millions of dollars. So this is one of the reasons why we invest in cryptocurrency meme projects under 5,000 US dollars as their market cap. And this is one of the reasons why you definitely need to be part of a community that has got people who've got buying power, who've got the technical know-how, and who understand these things. Lastly, we also have trading consultations and tutorials. So let's say, for example, you're an absolute beginner, you don't know anything about trading, we do have those one-to-one video consultations, tutorials, etc. So the most interesting part about all this is it's only 500 US dollars, and you only pay this one time. It's a lifetime fee as long as I'm alive, right? This is the only money that you're going to be paying. Let's say, for example, you have a $1,000 account, right? And you pay the 500 US dollars. Did you know that if you are even remaining with $500, by the end of the month, you're going to end up making 2,500, which is absolutely worth it. This is a very fair price, and due to our expertise, our team, and our dedication, 500 US dollars is absolutely nothing. So this is one of the reasons why you have to take action right now. Do not be like these guys who sort of didn't really get to believe in me when I was talking about buying Binance coin in 2017, 7 years ago. A lot of these people missed grand opportunities. So this is one of the reasons why you have to be part of an amazing trading group, amazing people, and just basically bump your portfolio to new heights. So in case you want to be part of this amazing group of ours, all you got to do is email me. This is the email 2019nextapp@gmail.com. Remember, the fee is only 500 US dollars. It's a one-time lifetime fee. Let's make this money.